this. We're trying to choose like new towels for us to use. And it's kind of hard because like, I don't know if you guys know, but if you get the wrong kind of towel, it doesn't really dry you that well. Okay, so we decided on these colors. We got 2 tan, 2 brown, and 2 white. And I got this one for my hair because it's just easier to dry with a smaller towel. Gosh, they already have fall stuff out. I'm so excited. These are my favorite. They're so good. We just got back from IKEA and Target. We finished doing our shopping. We ended up getting towels, and my sister was looking at like bedside tables to buy, but we didn't find any that she likes. And I also was thinking about getting a bed. So I was looking at the beds and stuff, but I also didn't find anything that I like. Because the bed that I have right now, I've had for a really long time, and it's actually supposed to be a bunk bed. So my sister's old bed was like the top part of that this bed. But now what I'm gonna do is clean up the rest of my room. I need to clean out my closet and move everything into my closet because right now things are just outside of it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll see what I do afterwards. I'll update you guys. I might just play Animal Crossing or just watch YouTube for the rest of the night because right now it's almost 9. Which I don't want to start now because I know it's so I just woke up and got ready. I'm just gonna wear the same outfit I wore yesterday because I'm gonna wash it today anyways. I'm gonna go for the walk and I'll record when it's like get there. Okay, so I just came downstairs. I finished drying my hair and everything, and now I'm gonna make my favorite breakfast to make. So I basically take an everything bagel and then I make 1 egg, and I have this small pan so it'll make a perfect like little circle of egg, and then I put the egg on the everything bagel, make sriracha and ketchup and put it on it, and it is so good. I would put cheese on it, but I'm not a big fan of American cheese, and that's what I have right now. So I'll show you guys the aftermath because it's so freaking good. So here's the finished product. I put the sriracha and ketchup mixed into it and put it on it. And I also like to half it just because the egg slips around, so it's kind of hard to eat it. So here it is. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube while eating this. Urchin Runner pasta still. Can we do Battle Course 1? That looks so fun. Oh, I love Battle Course 1. Where is it? Oh. Left and right, left and right. Do with your feet. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Perfect. Ah! Who took the first point? Please don't hit me. I'm innocent. Scared me. What if we play without shuffle? Continuing.
heard it.
Good. Why does she keep feeding that? You're a bird whisperer. Wait, it's so like white.
Damn, why did she turn this on? So this is the next day, and Emily and I went to our favorite boba place, tea latte bar. This isn't sponsored. We got metal straws for boba, so now we're hip and cool. And Emily's even more hip and cool because she put hers in this mason jar and she finished it all. This is Emily playing her little Animal Crossing game, and her pockets are full. Show them your balloon. She's a
Wait, it's gone.
Oh yeah, like it's like not infinity.
Is this infinity?
Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna play Animal Crossings, watch Animal Crossings, and drink boba. We got Thai milk tea.
나 배고파. 너무 배고파. 아, 진짜 드릴게요. 감사합니다. She's getting mad.